Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Health Wealth Your Passion channel with Ricky here. And today I'm going to share with you a product which I purchased on an online platform. And the reason why I purchased this product is because I have an issue during sleep. And that is, I snore. Yes. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the product that I've purchased. Yeah, it's called the mouth seal. Yeah, and there are a lot of good reviews on this product, and my friend highly recommended that I use this seal to seal my lips so that the breathing will be through my nose when I sleep, and that will help with my snoring issue. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so basically I'm going to use an app called this app is called the Pillow app to track my snoring. So I'm gonna see whether it works or not, and then after that I'm gonna show you all the results the next day. Okay, so it's like this. It's a sticker. There are actually two stickers here, which I think you can see very clearly. Yeah, it's a cross. So let me just take out the sticker. Okay, so it's a X-shaped sticker, which you place it like that from top. You just stick from top and then you place it over here to the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate how I'm gonna paste this on my lips to seal my lips, so that hopefully I don't snore at night. Okay, so after I paste it here, I won't be able to speak. So after that, I'll say good night to everyone, wherever you are, or good morning or good afternoon. But for me, it's gonna be good night later. I'm gonna go to sleep later, and I'm gonna see whether it works. Okay, so after I place this on my lips, see you next time. Have a great day, have a great night, have a great afternoon, wherever you are. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna show you how I place this over my lips.